It actually starts with 55 seconds of build. Pure silence. Is the Saudi Arabia Snooker Masters 2025. What a venue this is, by the way. Absolutely off the charts. We're going to walk up some stairs, we're going to do our rehearsal, and we're possibly going to rehearse a little bit later on as well. We're looking forward to that one, because this is the battle on the bays.
Welcome to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This is the Snooker Masters!
144 players will all be doing battle. £2.3 million prize pot, £500,000 for the winner.
And that's the one that matters most.
Hold on to your hats. Oh, what a pot that is, Judge Trump. Brilliant. What a fighter.
Quite simply, superb.
Ahlan wa sahlan, welcome to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia here in Jeddah. We're getting ready for the second edition of the Saudi Arabia Snooker Masters. An exciting competition ready to start. But before we get the action underway, it's time for the national anthem of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Ar-Raja al-Wukuf. Please stand if you are able. Thank you very much. We now welcome the President of the Saudi Billiard and Snooker Federation, Naif Al-Jawini, to welcome us to this year's tournament.
Shukran lak.
Jazakallah khair to the President of the Saudi Billiard and Snooker Federation. Right, let's get this tournament underway. Jazakallah khair to the President of the Saudi Billiard and Snooker Federation. Right, an exciting performance ready to begin to start this tournament. Here we go. in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in Jeddah.